Want to live in the heart of Dundee? Welcome to Keiller Court, where student dreams take flight. Offering comfortable private rooms and shared apartments, Keiller Court is your ticket to an independent living experience like no other. Sink into cozy beds that melt your tiredness away. Whip up a quick breakfast with a convenient toaster, and with a washer, dryer, and iron at your disposal, you'll be ready for classes in no time. But hold on to your hats because the fun doesn't stop there. Step outside and discover a world of amenities designed to make every day an adventure. Stay connected with high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the apartment and unwind by taking a stroll in the private courtyard. With bike storage facilities and CCTV surveillance, your safety is paramount. With the University of Dundee and Abertay University mere moments away, you'll never be late for class. When it's time to unwind, tantalize your taste buds with mouth-watering pizza at Abertay's Bistro. And for an Indian taste, you can trail to Rishi's Indian Aroma. Weekends are for adventures, so tackle the climbing walls at the Vertical World Climbing and Bouldering Center with ease, or just hop on over to the nearby Brown Street or Hunter Street bus stops to explore the charm of Dundee. So, what are you waiting for? Head to amberstudent.com and book your room today.